My education started my career, but LAM is where I was transformed into a leader.
Hi, I'm Renee Tan, and this is my life at LAM Research. I work as an automation maintenance supervisor at LAM Malaysia Manufacturing. LM is LAM's largest semiconductor equipment manufacturing site. My job focuses on managing our automation equipment to allow faster and more efficient delivery of materials to our customers. I received my bachelor's degree in international relations from University Utara, Malaysia. I started as a logistic analyst and had a lot of support from my manager. I was exposed to high-volume manufacturing processes, internal operating systems, and project management skills, which helped me integrate into the industry. I was happy as an analyst, but the manager came to me and said, I have the capabilities to lead. Because he believed in me, I decided to take on a supervisor role. I'm now leading a team of 7 in the automation warehouse. To minimize production downtime, I coordinate with cross-functional teams on quick repairs of any system breakdowns. I also partner closely with technicians to identify and suggest process enhancements. This supports our ability to continuously improve our automation efficiency and system performance. LAM has given me a sense of community. Our warehouse team meets once every quarter for an all-hands meeting. The purpose is not only to review important information and processes, but also to have fun. One thing I appreciate at LAM is the ability to continue to learn and grow. I was the first person to get my Process Excellence Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt in warehouse operations. I'm also mentoring 4 other teams attempting to get their Yellow Belt certification. I appreciate LAM's commitment to helping me grow not only in my career, but also within my life. I felt supported through my transition to a manager, mentor, and mother. Seeing the industry continue to grow keeps me excited for what's to come. I know I have more yet to give, not just for myself, but for others who are looking to join the semiconductor industry.